My name is Jasmine Torres, and I am in Group 12 of Non-K. Welcome to our hazard field trip. We will be looking at hazards in our atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. We are starting by looking at the United States as a whole and going to take a trip to the state of Hawaii to look at the effects a tropical storm can have, specifically at the tropical storm that had occurred Darby. Most confuse tropical storms and hurricanes with each other, or think they are simply the same. Tropical storms are significantly less in severity, but the wind speeds can reach high capacity, and rainfall can cause significant flooding. Tropical storms occur when there is a rise in temperature and the atmosphere becomes affected by the change. Tropical storm Darby looks to be forming west of Hawaii and was supposed to have wind speeds of up to 39 miles per hour and to create a great amount of flooding. With Hawaii having a lot of natural land formations, open land, and terrain, with heavy rain comes with mudslides, and with mudslides can cause major damage and worst case scenario death. The next location we will be traveling to will still be in the United States, a few hours east of St. Louis, Missouri, to look at flooding. First, specifically looking at the city of St. Louis, an El Niño storm has swept through the area and caused massive flooding from the river that sits next to the city. An El Niño is a series of climate change and particularly unusual warmer water, which then causes a series of severe storms. In 2011, the Missouri River floods was caused by an El Niño and caused devastating flooding. A series of El Niños had swept through the state of Missouri and a greater aspect of North America. Flooding can cause destruction to homes, buildings, and surrounding cities. Many can lose homes due to floods, and natural land can be destroyed from water. Since flooding can't be necessarily predicted, it is best to become with safety precautions to help lessen the devastation after a flood. East Coast in particular gets more flooded than other states due to the range of land formations. Flooding can cause damage other than strictly water damage. Sitting water and water traveling in different types of places can cause contamination and certain diseases and bacteria to build up. States can come up with better filtration and sewer systems to work faster to lower the flood lines. Our next travel destination will be in Southeast Asia to Luzon, Philippines. This location in particular is of the bigger islands in the Philippines and it holds two volcanoes, Mount Pinatubo and Mount Bulacan. This area of the Philippines sits along an area well known as Ring of Fire that holds frequent activity of seismic movement and volcanic activity. The way volcanoes are formed are formed by magma creating movement along the lithosphere, and the magma rises in comparison to how Bill rises. Magma then hardens as time passes and then forms a volcanic formation and then grows with time. The cities sitting alongside the volcano are within close range of the mountain. Evacuation plans should be in store and preparedness kits should be made and available. Even though technology is still working on trying to predict when a volcano can erupt, it is crucial to make it known to the public the severity of eruptions. We will now take a quick look around our globe and back to the United States. We sure hope that you have learned to always be prepared for any natural hazards that can occur, and they can happen anywhere. Always remember to be prepared and educated rather than not, and it can cause severe damage or worse. Thank you for listening, and we are Jasmine Torres and Non. Hello, my name is